Hello everyone! Today I'm going to demonstrate how a thermostat works using a simple setup involving a heat gun and cold water. A thermostat is a crucial device in regulating temperature, commonly used in engines. Let's dive in. Hi viewers! Today I'm going to demonstrate how thermostat works. A thermostat operates based on temperature changes. Inside, it typically contains a temperature-sensitive element, often a wax pellet, that expand or contract with heat or cold. This movement opens or closes a valve to regulate the flow of air, water, or coolant, maintaining an optimal temperature. Let me show you how this works in practice. I have a thermostat here, and I use a heat gun to stimulate a rise in temperature, and cold water to stimulate a drop in temperature. First, I use a heat gun to warm up thermostat. As this heats up, the wax inside expands, pushing the mechanism that mimics open a valve. Watch closely as this happens. See how it opens. This allows hot coolant or air to flow, preventing overheating. Now, let's cool it down. Pouring a cold water over the thermostat causes the wax to contract, closing the valve to retain heat. This happens in a real-life system to maintain efficient during the colder conditions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you understand this fascinating science behind the thermostat. Please like and subscribe my channel.